Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover Google Authenticator or basically restore Google Authenticator codes. Really easy and simple to do. So first things first, of course, what you want to go ahead and do is you want to restore from the cloud. So install Google Authenticator on your new phone and then go ahead and just sign in with your Google account, okay? And once you are signed in, guys, okay, what you can do is if you're still logged in, okay, if Google Authenticator wasn't backed up to the cloud, you can check your signed in accounts. And if you still have access, what you can do is you can go ahead and turn off two-factor authentication. But if you're not logged in, what you can do is click on a try another way, okay, to restore access to your account. So then you log in to your account and then go ahead and restore. Also, another way is if you still have your phone, you can transfer Authenticator. So open the Google Authenticator app, okay? And then what you're going to be doing, guys, you're going to click on the menu icon, these three horizontal lines at the top left. Click on that. This is the menu icon. And then you're going to click on the option that says transfer accounts. Tap on this option right here. And this takes you to the export accounts screen, okay? So go ahead and click on continue right here. And once you click on continue, you want to go ahead and select the accounts you actually want to include in the transfer. And these can include non-Google services as well as any Google accounts that are listed. So more than one code may prompt your phone to make multiple QR codes. So what you're going to do is you want to just go ahead and tap export. Okay. At the bottom right, you want to come here, click on export, and that will go ahead and show you a new QR code on your screen. And if you have a new phone, what you can do is open up the Google Authenticator app, just tap on the plus icon and then scan the QR code, okay? And then you'll be able to recover your Google Authenticator. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide was of value to you. And if it was, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions. And I'll see you in the next one.